A tool that pulls double duty. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. It's a pry bar when you need the leverage. And a hammer when you need to drive it home. The magnetic starter holds the nail in place for a one-handed start, and the large striking head goes to town. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer.
The corner clamp by wolfcraft opens up new possibilities when screwing or gluing boards together at 90-degree angles, for example picture frames. Simple one-handed operation leaves the other hand free for work. The corner clamp achieves a strong clamping force and provides a flat surface. It is suitable for boards with a thickness of 10 to 22 millimeters and automatically adjusts to different board thicknesses. When building a shelf, for example, drilling and screwdriving can be carried out in one operation. The corner clamp has non-slip padded jaw grips to hold the material firmly in place without marking.
And now, for the much talked about, truly distinct Keter folding work table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right. Thanks to its unique patented opening system, all you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that.
Bench Dog Soundshield safety glasses, eye protection and ear protection in one convenient combination. No more misplacing earplugs, and you'll have hearing protection with a noise reduction rating of 25 decibels whenever and wherever you need it. The earplugs are connected to the frames by cords. Just slide the toggle to retract them, and they store in compartments in the earpieces. The glasses themselves are top-notch. They carry a high-impact safety rating and are hard-coated to resist scratches. They also have an anti-fog coating and provide protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Available as regular safety glasses or as fit-over prescription glasses, they incorporate rubber temple interiors for superior comfort and fit. To top it all off, a microfiber pouch is included to store and protect your sound shields when you're not wearing them. Shop safety is important, and there's no more convenient way to protect your eyes and ears than Bench Dog Soundshield safety glasses.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell BladeRunner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning-fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, BladeRunner's always ready to slice your work time. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.
Remember when your planer could handle every job you threw at it? The Win 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood while also providing uniformity to the thickness of your boards. Attack pieces up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Our 12-amp motor generates over 18,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Each full rotation of the knob adjusts the height of the planer at 1/16 of an inch, allowing for extremely precise measurements to meet the needs of the project at hand. The Win thickness planer also features a fully granite table to prevent scratches and marring to your board. Not only does this create a stable and perfectly flat base for wood to smoothly travel over, but it also provides a non-stick surface to prevent sawdust from clinging to the table. This package also includes a 2-inch fan-assisted dust port, a soft rubber grip adjustment handle, foldable in-feed and out-feed tables, side-mounted handles for easy transportation, and a tri-roller feeding system to help minimize snipe. Make boards flush, repurpose old wood, and get exact measurements, all with the Win 12.5-inch thickness planer. Remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life?
Remember when?
Introducing the RIDGID Octane Hammer Drill, delivering best-in-class torque with Octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output, allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged 3-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. And an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed Octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with RIDGID Octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the RIDGID Octane hammer drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with Octane batteries. The RIDGID Octane hammer drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries.